Now, what is that noise? Oh, hey you, what are you doing in there? Come on, get out of there. I know you want to go for a ride, but we got to put this thing together yet. Go sit down and wait till we're ready. Okay, folks, welcome back to Odyssey Life. I'm Bernie. This is the Odyssey Life Garage, and I'm glad you're here. It's an exciting day. We're going to get around. We got parts laid out. We're going to slap this bad boy back together. The vital parts, the air breather, the seat, the frame, or the seat frame and the seat, and the wings so we can get some cooling action. Then we're going to get this thing fired up. And we're going to head out that door right behind you, and there's a long alley. It goes in two directions. We're going to get out there. We're going to run. We're going to rev it up. We're going to take her for a ride. We're going to do a shakedown run, see how our brakes work, our emergency brakes, see if we got the carburetor tuned right, and we're going to make some two-stroke noise. So I guess relax, take a load off, and let's have some fun. All right, as you can see, there's our wings, there's our air box. Here's our seat frame, our seat belt. Over here, you can see we're still running our can, but I've got it securely mounted. Hose clamp, got a good seal right here to our pump. I had to replace this fuel line right here because we had a hole and it wasn't allowing the pump to prime. I could blow fuel to the carb, but after it ran out of what was in the line, it wouldn't pull no more. I was here till late last night, just doing things. I know I said I don't work on this thing when you guys aren't around, but work needed to get done and I needed to get ready for today because I'm ready, as I said, I'm ready to go for a ride. So I guess we're gonna start with the wings, and then the seat, and then the seat belt. And then we'll get this thing fired up. We'll get her outside for a ride. Let me get you set up. You guys can watch. I don't know. I'm gonna time lapse some of it, but I'll stop and talk to you in the in between parts and stuff. So as I said, we'll get started. Let's get to work. All right. So right now we'll get started with our seat frame, and then our seat, and then we'll move forward to our wings, and then finally our seat belt. All right, that's our seat. Next is the wings. Way too icy out to ride up and down the alley. I already tried it once, and as soon as the power band kicks in, or as soon as the clutch kicks in, it just starts spinning. I I didn't expect a 2-inch ice storm 2 days ago to ruin everything. So I guess next week when we're all put back together, the Nerf bars are back. I got a few surprises, and we're gonna take this thing out for a real shakedown run, and we're gonna maybe top speed, you know, just give her a whirl, see what happens. So I don't know, let me get this parked back in the garage and I'll be with you guys in a second.